Alright, hey guys, it's me, Jay. Second recording of Subway Surfers. Okay, let's get this started. So, I guess there's been an update on London, and there's a London one. Christmas, I guess. First video, with voice. I'm not really good at this game, but it's worth the shot. Okay. Well, yeah, this is my first video, and I suck at Subway Surfers. Really bad. For some reason. I got bored, so I started a YouTube channel. There's not really much to do around the house. So yeah. What else? Yeah, I'm also looking for some video editing apps that are mainly for YouTube. So if you could please put that in the comments, and for I can use them to make videos. I have actually I have a cousin who actually does YouTube videos. His name is Mr. PlayStation All-Star. He just started as well, and I just took along the path. I thought it was fun, so I said I thought I'd give it a try. And I guess I'm playing apps for YouTube. Ow. So far, I'm doing pretty good. Ow. 21,000. Okay. Let's go one more time. See how far I can make it. Collecting coins. If you're wondering why it says 4040. Ah, crap. Well, we'll go one more time. If you're wondering why it says 4040, where the Christmas tree is, it's because I collected all of them for mainly the week that I was supposed to collect them for. And then on the right, on the top right, it's my score that I have to beat, which I haven't yet. It's tough. It was tough to get there. Wasted too many keys. I had like 40 keys and I wasted all of them just to get to that score. It was crazy. Like I was saying, he does YouTube videos. I think he does mostly PlayStation 3 and Xbox videos. For now, I'll do apps, reviews, gameplays of apps. The next app I'm probably gonna do is probably the Candy Crush Saga or Dungeon Hunter 3. It's between those two. Just put in the comments which one will you prefer. And yeah. Now I'm gonna be quiet for I gotta like concentrate. If you guys have any ideas of what apps you want me to play, just put them in the comments as well. Mystery box. Okay. Jump here. Side scroll. It's funny how the dog is Rudolph and he's Santa Claus. Short terms. So I got the magnifier. Times 2. Now I have times 26. Okay. Ooh, lagged a little bit right there. Here we go again, times 2. Oh no. No! Okay guys, so we're gonna open the mystery box. Let's see what the prizes are. I get there's a jackpot of 100,000 coins. There's a key, a score booster, trophies, 5,000 coins, mega hit starts, up to 10 boards, up to 2,500, and then the common ones are the radio, the boombox, the spaceship, the guitar, and the hat. I already unlocked Tricky, so I don't need the hat no more. And I get coins, 500. Okay, I guess this is enough for this session. So I will see you guys next time.